What's up, guys? It's your boy Jose. Just here to make a quick video on the Nonstoptuning short shifter for 8th gen Honda Civic Si NST short shifter. I want to start with the con, and I only say it because it was a pain in the ass. I didn't know what was wrong with it. I ended up fixing it, so I'll tell you exactly what happened. It didn't want to go into reverse. Let's just start with, it's already installed and now it's going into reverse, so I don't even want to take it off. But it's pretty self-explanatory once you get it on how to install it. The shifter comes with white plastic pivots. These are the blue ones. These are the ones from the OEM shifter. The reason why I put these on is because when I bought the shifter, one of the plastic pivot caps was broken, and I reached out to them. Their customer service is shit, I'll be honest. When I reached out to them, they wanted me to send the whole shifter and everything just to be able to replace one single plastic pivot cap. And you know, it didn't, I didn't understand that. You know, you couldn't just send me one, but whatever, you could use the stock ones. They work just fine. I ended up upgrading and put the solid mounts, the bolts, and I ended up putting a spacer. If you can see there, I put a washer under this. The only reason why I did that is because I felt like the cable had to be stretched out a little bit further, so whenever I go into reverse, it gives it a little bit more of an extension. I don't know if it actually did anything or not, but let me tell you the main issue. This didn't want to go into reverse, right? Because once I bring it in all the way here and it hit that plastic, I still needed to shift it further to the right to be able to extend that so I could engage and go into reverse. What I did was I grinded, if you can see, show you real quick. You see this pin? I beveled that. So whenever you go here, it gives you an extra to be able to extend the cable. That's the only way I was able to put this in reverse. If this was rounded, it hit this and it didn't extend further to the right. So if you buy this shifter and it doesn't want to go into reverse, that is exactly what you need to do. So I can pull this cable further. You see? Before it just stayed right there, but once I beveled it, it pulls the cable further, and now I can put it in reverse. Check it out. Now, you see? Before it just got stuck right there. But now that I beveled it, it engages the cable to go into reverse. But it goes into other gears perfectly fine. You see? It works great. So I would have done a video how to install it. There's like 2 other videos that helped me a lot on how to install it. It's really simple, but this video was mainly on if it doesn't go into reverse. You have to bevel this just a little bit right here so you could get that extra play to the right, because if not, it would have stopped right there. Now, so I just wanted to make that video real quick. Great shifter. I honestly recommend it. It drives great. Feels like a really high performance shifter, like the hybrid racing or the other brand, Acuity, whatever it's called. you know, you're gonna spend $300-400 for, you know, hybrid racing or the other one, when you could buy this for $89 and it works great. I'm sure the hybrid racing and the other brand, since some of them are like 3-way short shifters, there's all kinds of things that you can do to it. But if you want a very solid race feel shifter, this works great. And if you come across that reverse issue, that's all you have to do is bevel this right here. Use the OEM blue pivot caps from your factory shifter, and remember that you have to also remove the spring from your OEM shifter, and you have to put it on here. Again, the washer, probably I didn't have to do that, but I would go ahead and also buy these solid. The brand is NICE-CNC. It's one of the cheaper brands. I bought this on eBay. I'll put the link on. It cost me like 30 bucks or something like that. Versus, again, K-Tune or hybrid racing, you're gonna spend like 65, 70 bucks. And honestly, it's all the same shit. But there you have it, man. Hope this helps you. Great shifter. Jack's, there's another brand, Jackson Racing or Jack Spinar Racing, something like that. They sell the exact same shifter for $150. It's the exact same one, they just put their name on it. I'm sure this is probably made in China, but NST sells the same one for $89 and it works great. So yeah, hope this helps. Have a good one. See ya.